Andrew and I are on the way in the go-kart right now, on the way to pick up old serotonin. Chris and I finished it up last night. Actually, Chris did. I was just a really good helper. And other than some finishing touches and staining, Andrew's going to get the big reveal in about 10 minutes. And then later today, K-Mac doesn't know it, but Andrew will be surprising him by being in the rig for our journey to New Jersey. Can't wait. It's going to be fun. Alright, we are going to get K-Mac. We're going to meet him at Target. The surprise is in the passenger seat, Andrew. And we are in a big delay. Can you see all that traffic right there? That is where we're trying to get to. And that is the nightmare. Are you ready? I'm trying to get to you. This is what I'm dealing with.
Look at this. I'm going to Jersey. Look at this thing. Whoa.
What's up, my boy? There you go. How about that?
I gotta send a picture. Hold on, I gotta send a picture to Dale. Can I get a selfie with 3 of us?
Yeah. Hold on. We'll do it.
Hold on. She's never gonna fucking believe this.
What do you think, huh?
Dude, unbelievable. Going to Jersey.
Look who finally made it in the rig, K-Mac. And Baby A.
This is unbelievable.
You like it?
I freaking love it.
You picked it out.
This thing's beautiful.
It's taken a pretty big overhaul the last 2 weeks. This was linoleum, that was tile, and that was carpet in the back.
So what'd you do with the stereo?
Alright, here we are, our first Walmart.
Walmart camping. Yeah. Nope.
And we're watching
Nope.
Farm Aid.
Live Aid.
Live Aid.
If meteors acted like vegans is the next video.
Students that if you could count
Brace
the stars
yourself.
in your hand, you're just getting started.
This cat's got like a bunch of videos you've seen.
If not
I'm
meteors,
a meat eater for
meat eaters.
I only eat meat. I'm going to the Meat Stock Fresh Festival. Are you going? Yeah, I want the tofu spring rolls. Except I don't eat tofu, so do you have like a tofu flavored chicken you can substitute? This sausage is a meat-based vegetable substitute for cucumber. It's got the taste and the texture of an actual cucumber, with none of the cucumber. That's broccoli. That's what my food eats. That's my food's food, and I don't appreciate you eating that. You should eat Siberian tigers to help them go extinct.
It's a happy face. Look.
They look alike. Tweens.
Look how happy. Twinning.
Okay, that Walmart was possibly the nicest Walmart on the planet.
But not happy funny. Not happy funny.
No, they were happy.
No happy
I
funny.
said, what did I ask her? I said, where are the ruffles? She said, keep going. She said, keep going.
Keep going.
Good morning. Hi, Walmart.
So fellas, fellas, your girlfriend got your butt. Hell yeah. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake that healthy butt. Baby got back.
Andrew is still sleeping.
Baby got back.
9 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, it's 9 o'clock. We slept for about 4 hours.
I like them round and big. And when I'm
Nice.
When the stereos pump me, I like to rhyme. I like my beats funky.
funky, I'm spunky. I like my oatmeal lumpy. I'm sick with this. Straight gangsta Mac. But sometimes I get ridiculous. I'll eat up all your crackers and your licorice. Oh, yo, fat girl, come here. Are you ticklish? Yeah, I call you fat. Look at me, I'm skinny. It never stopped me from getting busy. I'm a freak. I like the girls with the boom. I once got busy in a Burger King bathroom. I'm crazy. Allow me to amaze it. I'm the one who said just grab them in the biscuits. Also told you that I like to bite. Well, yeah, I guess it's obvious. I also like to write. Oh, yeah.
Shea District. Hard at work back there. What up, K-Man? What up?
DJ French Toast today.
We just stopped at Hardee's off the turnpike. Had a couple of burgers. Original. In between Toledo and Cleveland right now. DJ K-Mac. And you're making some music? Well, on the Ohio Turnpike today, we just got pulled over. We were apparently too close to the truck in front of us, which this is about how far I was, and it seems very reasonable. The officer said we were going 62 miles an hour in a 70, so we're taking our time. We just don't know. I just don't know if like we have like a suspicious looking vehicle and that's why he pulled us over. But I don't know, it's pretty nice about it. Just gave me a little, it was a friendly reminder about keeping proper spacing. And I still have some bad head at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. And I've actually gone into public places. So he's very curious about our passenger back there. Kevin ripped the door handle off the fridge, which is fine. It's an easy fix. Who cares?
I can't seem to open the door.
You couldn't seem to open the door.
I think I'm actually really scary strong.
Scary strong. Check this out. We're at a travel center in Ohio on the turnpike. RV only. And I don't even need permission.
You don't need no stinking badges.
We don't need no stinking badges. Bam. Stopped at the turnpike. Shea District is making some music. What you working on? What you working on, kid? That looks like smart people stuff there.
Yeah, how you doing? I'm looking for a part for a Dometic refrigerator.
Kevin is looking for the part that he ripped off here. So apparently this lock works really well. And you can guess what happened when the lock held. So we're going to make our first attempt, our first visit to a truck wash. Because serotonin is dirty.
Very dirty.
I still have bedhead at 4 o'clock in the afternoon or whatever time it is. Your hair's short, you don't get bedhead.
Oh, what I have left.
You can grab a foot-long steak, buddy. Oh, you know what today is?
It is.
March 14th, boys. That's one of our favorite holidays. All right, Blue Beacon, here we come. Where do I pull in?
I have no clue.
What do you mean? I'm depending on you
Let's
to.
go to Mr. Fuel.
No, Mr. Fuel.
It says do not enter. There.
Do I drive around?
I think you come out.
I'm not 14 foot high. No, it's not.
Oh. That's close.
Okay, it's tricky getting in here. Duck, goose.
Careful, these big giant rocks.
Yeah, the big giant rocks will.
Left, yeah.
That would be worse than the mailbox that I hit. We pull up. Sir, that'll be $700 to wash your truck.
Let's see.
Boy, I tell you what, the penalty for going off this road is severe.
Dude, can I turn this shit down?
Dude, you know what I hope like hell? I hope like hell. I hope like hell I can continue to pull forward because there's no way I'll be able to back this thing out of here. Okay, you said it's 7 guys with power washers and different things that are going to wash it by hand, and it's like 35 bucks. That is nothing. Oop. There, that is going to be a game changer right there.
You're doing a pole mark like this.
This is bad to the bone right here.
Look at this. Look at the wash on the top.
Yeah. Rain-X, $12. And after. Wow. Beautiful. Old Serotonin is clean. One thing that I would recommend going forward, make sure all the windows are closed. Otherwise you'll be mopping up water. Looks like you came out blanks.
Kevin?
Yes. Oh my God. Here, go out there. Go tackle him. Why are the headlights on in the rig? You karate kicking? Well, let's go play cards.
You know, I called Taco Bell and they were on some bullshit. I asked if I could go to the window and pick up a Taco 12-pack, and they said no.
Listening to Toto in a Walmart parking lot, playing cards with the Easter Bunny. Day 3 of our journey, and
I'm wearing the same clothes.
I think for 4 days Kevin's wearing the same clothes. But he did take a swagger shower this morning. Successfully had another night's stay in a Walmart parking lot somewhere in Pennsylvania, and despite our shenanigans, we did not get kicked out.
Plus,
Bonus round.
we met the Easter Bunny.
We did meet the Easter Bunny, which you just saw, and we are riding through the north end. What highway are we on?
80.
We're on 80.
Interstate 80.
Through Pennsylvania around mile marker 78, heading east, and of course, snow.
Pittsburgh has a tunnel through a mountain. Tunnels are what we like. Tunnels can be dark or bright now. Going through that tunnel.
crossing the Delaware. Just like a Washington. Just like Washington. To win the war. And when we get there, we gonna be in New Jersey. We have made it. All the way to Toms River, New Jersey. K-Mac?
Bring it.
You know what you need?
Shower.
K-Mac needs a shower. If he was a part, he'd be a tart. But we are at Castle K-Mac. We're all a little funky right now, so we're gonna go get hosed off. And the camera's here, and of course I was looking up there. But that bunny's clean as a whistle. So at Kevin's, been a long day. Playing Yacht Rock right now. And let's go see what's going on over in the game room.